All right, in the kitchen today, I've got a really nice mango and tomato salad dressing for you today. What I've got going here in this blender, in the blender I've got two Nam Duck mangoes, which are about this size here. This one is not quite ripe. And you'll see a lot of my mangoes are turning black, but that's okay because they get really nice and ripe and they're delicious. In here, there's a couple of big mangoes I just picked today, and those two over there as well. But in here, I've got some passion fruit juice. What I do is I take the passion fruit. Today I took 6 of them and squeezed them, strained them into this jar, added water, added a little honey. It is so tasty. Passion fruit, fantastic. So anyway, to get back to this, in here I've got 2 of those Nam Duck mangoes. I've got 4 Campari tomatoes. I've got 2 green onions, big ones. I've got half an avocado, and I've got a teaspoon of almond butter. So I'm just going to add a little of this passion fruit juice to get it going. And we'll see what we get here. So there it is, all blended up. It is looking fantastic. I have more of that passion fruit juice if I need to have a little more volume. But it looks good. I'm going to give it a quick taste. What we got here? Nice, really nice. Now, if you wanted to, you could add, some garlic powder or some raw garlic or onion powder. I'd put the green onion in there. I like to keep my stuff as simple as possible and as live as possible. So over here, I've got lots of green leaf lettuce, red leaf lettuce, and my wife and I will devour most of this tonight. We've got a cucumber there. And that's about all. I just like my greens and my cucumbers, and my dressings already got tomatoes, mangoes, a little avocado, little almond butter, and some green scallion, and that passion fruit juice. So I'm really looking forward to dinner. My wife had to go out. She had to go to the dentist today. So I got dinner all ready, so when she gets back, we can eat. So please subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, please post those below. Hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I put up a video. All the best to your health, success. Take care.